Instead of producing knowledge as such, which is usually what people think for academics or scientists to do, today we have all these new technologies. We could also provide something that's very tangible and also in a digital format so that people can actually access to the knowledge that we're producing. More and more humanitarian organizations in the aid sector are using drones. So the ethical issues related to the humanitarian use of drones are complex. One example could be all the ethical issues around data. And so when the drones are being used to collect images, that generates data. So then the questions are who has access to the data, who owns the data. Then in addition to the data issue, in the case of using drones to deliver medicines, the question regarding public acceptance by the local communities is at stake, in the sense that some of the operations may not stay for a long time due to funding constraints. So when the feasibility studies or the trials are finished, how will the community continue to benefit from this new technology? The Ehud tool is actually based on a conceptual framework that's called FIAD, which represents the framework for the ethics assessment of humanitarian use of drones. The DITS funding was granted for us to operationalize the FIAD framework. This whole idea is to develop this digital solution for the organizations so that it's easier to use. Today in Geneva, we're organizing this design review workshop. The idea is for our technical partner to showcase what they have done so far in the design phase that will be followed by the actual development of the tool.
For today, I prepared a working prototype that we need to show to NGOs representative in order to receive feedback. The biggest benefit of having a digital tool is that it's super easy to take the experience of others representatives, of others NGOs, and bring it to help us in responding to questions.
One very big challenge, this is for ethics in general, is that how society perceives the topic of ethics or around ethics. For example, in this context, do these humanitarian organizations have to go through an ethics assessment process in their daily work? They're already short on resources, on time, on aid supplies, everything. Is this an extra burden for them, at least perceived as so, or is it really helping them? And that's a larger kind of challenge I have to cope with throughout the process of developing this tool.